This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Kevin Fillion. Selling as is and owner will make no repairs. Price reflects conditions known to need work, exterior painting, and some drywall repair. Historic home located in the Stuart Avenue neighborhood. 3 separate units, each west/its own private access. Very clean home, close to banks, grocery stores and downtown Kalamazoo. Kalamazoo Promise qualified. Unit 1, 1 bedroom/1 bath, front main level west/lots of natural wood, access to the basement/storage. Updated kitchen and bath. Washer/dryer. Unit 2, efficiency at rear main level. Unit 3 to 2 bedroom/1 bath upper level west/newer flooring, freshly painted. Washer/